So this is lab objective 6.13, which is the titration lab. For this lab, you're going to need a burette, HCl, NaOH, the appropriate indicator, a beaker, and a pH probe hooked up to a LabQuest.
Okay, first for this lab, you need to set up your burette. You're going to need a stand, a clamp, and the actual burette pipe, and it should look something like this. Now before you actually add the NaOH to the burette, you're going to want to run it through real quick with some distilled water. After you've rinsed the burette with distilled water, you're going to take a little bit of your NaOH and rinse it through the burette. Now we pour 10 milliliters of the HCl into the beaker. We're going to use phenolphthalein as our indicator, and make sure you add this before you start titrating. You only need a few drops. Now before you start titrating, you're going to want to measure the pH of the HCl. You're going to use the pH probe, unscrew it, and stick it into the HCl. And you're going to read the pH and record it.
So one person will turn the nozzle and slowly let the NaOH into the beaker, while the other one stirs the beaker until you see a color change. So you can pick your own measurements for how much you want to titrate, but we're going to do every 1 milliliter. You're going to test the pH. So you're going to continue titrating until you see a color change. In this case, the phenolphthalein will turn pink, showing that there's excess titrant.
Once you finish titrating, you're going to measure the pH of the final solution.